before, and I ain't never really wanna have to sell dope, but I had to, yeah, I had to, yeah. You ain't never heard it like this before, and I ain't never really wanna have to sell dope, but I had to, yeah, I had to, but you do not understand when a boy becomes a man, and he comes from foreign land, and you don't know how to advance. It's gonna be the jam, it's gonna be the jam. I remember brooches, I remember flowing, I remember Christmas Eve. Fuck the presents, mama had to make it work so my brothers and sisters eat. When I was barely old enough to hold a cup, I went got me 50 G's. I ain't make no money, but you know a nigga went out here planting seeds like no one's involved. Got me some scars, got all these walls, young and in charge. Serve you the sauce, but I might have to go charge down on my own. I ain't no cook, nigga, I'm standing real strong. This is the wave, hop on the board, we gon' go ahead and explore. You ain't never heard it like this before, and I ain't never really wanna have to sell dope, but I had to, yeah, I had to, yeah. You ain't never heard it like this before, and I ain't never really wanna have to sell dope, but I had to, yeah, I had to, but you do not understand. When a boy becomes a man, and he comes from foreign land, and you don't know how to advance. It's gonna be the jam, it's gonna be the jam. You ain't never heard it like this before, and I ain't never really wanna have to sell dope, but I had to, yeah, I had to, yeah. You ain't never heard it like this before, and I ain't never really wanna have to sell dope, but I had to, yeah, I had to, but you do not understand when a boy becomes a man, and he comes from foreign land, It's gonna be the jam.
Making love to the beat so slow. Making love to the beat, girl, it sounds so slow. I'm in fuck with a G, girl, you already know. I got 100 on me for the night. Shawty, don't you leave for the night. No, you don't know my name. Lately all these bitches want is my fame. You don't know that you the one on my brain. I hit you with that late night text when I'm on the road. Girl, you know I'm tryna vibe with you. When you come into my city, I'ma slide with you. Savage dropping pussy pop whenever I'm with you. Girl, you might have heard my song. Girl, I got a thing for you. Hustle with them dealers when it's time to get that bling for you. Knock it out the ring for you. Oh, shorty, oh no. Can I get a ring for you? On the phone or a message or something? Can we get past all these one-word discussions? I need to know, girl, I need to know something. Cause you don't know my name. You don't know my name. Cause you don't know my name. Oh, you don't know my name. Cause you don't know my name. You don't know my name. Cause you don't know my name. Girl, it's obvious you got some problems. It's obvious you got some issues. What if God sent me all in your life and it's obvious I'm here to fix you? When I can't go no longer, I need someone stronger to hold on to get through. And I stay by your side, girl, you know I'ma ride it. Come to your rescue. You say that you know my name. The songs that I sing, the set that I bring, the shit that I claim. You don't know about me, I've noticed. But you don't know about me, I know this. Cause you don't know my